I'm on Route 70 in Wisconsin, heading up towards Duluth. It's a nice day. It's a little bit overcast. This here is called Sand Lake. This Route 70 has been a really nice ride. It's 2-lane up through the hills. Very little traffic. It's been the temperature's been crazy. It went from like 68 all the way down to now where it's kind of in the low 50s, so I had to stop and get geared up. I even put my vest on and my heated vest and put that on low. It's made quite a difference. And I'm pretty sure I verified that I think I left my Yamaha hat at the hotel. And I don't know how I did that. I check everything when I leave a hotel room. I even look under the beds. So I can't imagine where that thing went or where I put it, where I lost it. But I'm kind of bummed out about it because I've had that hat for a lot of years. But now I'm on a mission to find a new one. So somewhere, somehow, some state, I'm gonna go by a Yamaha dealership and find one. So I'm on the quest for a hat. This is great. This is so much better than being at work. I feel bad for everyone who has to be at work today. Here's a tip that for anybody that does long distance riding: when you find a boat ramp, you will almost always find a porta-john. Almost always, every state. So you think about that when, you're on the road and don't pass up a boat ramp. What a day. 500 miles across Wisconsin and a good part of Minnesota. Today, I had it all today, boy. It would go from, it would be in the high 70s and hot. You'd take off all your underlayers, and then 20 miles later, it would be 52 degrees and cold and cloudy, and I'd have to stop. And I even put my heated vest on 2 different times, and it would bounce back and forth like that all day long. It was incredible. Most of the roads were really nice. Not too bad on the traffic. No real small 2-lane roads. Everything a little bigger out here, but smooth. The biggest city I got into was Duluth. I had some thoughts about maybe staying there tonight and walking around inside a city, which is not something I normally do, but I was there for 10 minutes and I said, I have got to get out of this place. So I headed west. Right now I am heading towards Bajimi, Minnesota. I think that's how you pronounce it. I have a room there for the night, even though it's an absolutely gorgeous, beautiful night. But I really want to, I've got 4 days worth of footage that I really want to get edited and uploaded to YouTube so that my family and friends and all of you can watch these videos while I'm on the trip. That's really my goal and something that I wanted to do. So we're going to try and get some of that done tonight, and some of that stuff, at least the first couple of days worth, the first video posted tonight. If you're watching it, well, if you're watching these, that means I was successful at some point. And thank you for watching, and thank you for coming along on the ride. We've got a long way to go, and this is a good way to live. This is a good experience. This is a good trip. I wish everyone could do this.